Hey tea lovers, welcome back. After a busy Black Friday and Cyber Week, we are bringing you one of our holiday classics, Organic Masala Chai. Our take on this delicious chai includes 5 USDA organic ingredients and tons of flavor. Let's take a look at each of those ingredients now. Our Organic Masala Chai begins with rich black tea, which, along with being a delicious base, has numerous health benefits. Black tea is full of antioxidants and has been shown to decrease heart health risks, improve metabolism, support gut health, and provide long-lasting energy and focus. Ginger is an ingredient with tons of health benefits and a warm flavor. Ginger can help to reduce pain, inflammation, and nausea, along with helping to manage weight, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Cinnamon is a great ingredient for heart health, weight loss, and blood sugar levels. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to help with menstrual cramps and inflammation. Cardamom pods add a touch of color to this blend, along with helping to open airways and clear blocked sinuses. Cardamom has an invigorating scent that helps to relax your airways. Cloves have antiseptic, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties, which make them a great ingredient for fighting off and preventing viral infections. Cloves have also been shown to promote healthy skin. Let's make a fun hot cocoa recipe using our organic masala chai. I'm going to start with a couple cups of milk over low heat and add my masala chai leaves to this. I'm going to bring this up to a simmer, whisking consistently, and let this steep for about 5 to 7 minutes before straining out the tea leaves and returning the steeped milk to the pot. Next, I'm going to add about 2 ounces of white chocolate and give that a whisk until everything is well combined and melted. All that's left to do now is put this in your favorite mug and top with whipped cream if you desire. I added a little cinnamon and a cinnamon stick, and I think it turned out so cute and fun. If you're looking for a way to make this a little less sweet, I would recommend trying a darker chocolate, which would also be delicious. Thank you so much for tuning in for this week's Tea of the Week. I hope you enjoyed learning about organic masala chai and that you'll give it a try. All the links are in the description below. Have a great rest of your week.